The gazelle, a graceful and agile species of antelope, is one of Africa's most iconic and beloved creatures. Found primarily in the savannas and grasslands of Africa, the gazelle is a sight to behold with its slender build, elegant neck, and swift, bounding gait. Gazelles are known for their incredible speed, able to reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, around 50 miles per hour, over short distances. This speed is essential for their survival, as they are prey for a variety of predators, including lions, cheetahs, and hyenas. The gazelle's agility is equally impressive. They can jump high fences and navigate rocky terrain with ease, making them difficult targets for their predators. The gazelle's coat is a mix of browns, whites, and blacks, providing excellent camouflage in their grassland habitats. Their large, delicate ears help them to hear predators approaching from a distance, giving them a crucial advantage in evading danger. Gazelles are herbivores, feeding on a diet of grasses, leaves, and shrubs. They are ruminants, meaning they have a specialized stomach that allows them to digest plant material more efficiently. Gazelles are social animals, living in groups called herds. These herds provide protection for the young and the old, and serve as a means of deterrence for predators. Gazelles play an important role in their ecosystems, acting as a food source for many predators and helping to maintain the balance of grassland communities. Unfortunately, gazelles are under threat due to habitat loss, hunting, and climate change. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these graceful creatures and ensure their survival for future generations. So, the next time you're on a safari in Africa and spot a gazelle bounding gracefully across the plains, take a moment to appreciate its beauty, speed, and agility. This elusive antelope is truly a marvel of nature.